I decided while I'm at it, I might as well have a look at the Philco 39 chassis, and I just took it out this morning. Okay. Here's a Bakelite block that is for the line to ground capacitors in the primary. Here's the output transformer. Insulation is deteriorating there. These resistors inside, I think they use the bed scheme, but they are not, they don't look like the typical dog bones. Okay, this electrolytic capacitor here is not originally in the schematic. This was put in later. And so was this one up here. Which is a multi-section unit. And the interesting thing is this electrolytic up here, which has been completely taken out of the circuit, and what I'd like to try to do I heard from the Philco forum text section that there's a method of cutting along this seam with a knife, and then using a lid off of an orange juice carton, gluing it on the cap and inside, and then would enable you to unscrew this anytime to put a new capacitor in. And the seam is supposed to be almost invisible if you do it right. So I might try that. Here's where the radio was bought. Parsons, 203 Colburn Street, Brantford. Lots of wax on the coils.